This is the dunk contest number 2 from me and Caden. He wants a rematch, so I'll bring my stuff. This time, the recorder can help the dunker get ideas from the dunk, okay? So, am I going first this time again?
No, I will.
Okay. Looks like the challenger is going first. Okay, prop it up there. It's not gonna work. Okay, but can you see us? Okay.
Now I want you to hold it up, draw it, and I'll go like this on this side. Okay?
Okay, do this. Okay, it's dunk number 1 for Caden. Okay,
So what do you want me to do?
hang on a second. Yeah, just hold the ball for a second.
You can't get none of these moves.
First blindfolded dunk.
Oh! You come out and play at the zoo today.
Okay, let me see it.
Oh, blindfolded!
Dude, that was pretty cool.
Okay. Now I want you to go like this. Okay, over there. Now I want you to go like this.
Try one. Ready? There we go. Okay. It's end of round 2. Start of round 2. Middle. My turn.
Round 3.
Let's start.
Yes, round 3.
It's the end of round 2. Okay. Go over behind the backboard. Toss it up to me. Ready?
Oh, it worked.
Okay, ready?
Wait till pass something. Freaking get it.
Oh, I'm so good.
Freaking gosh. Yeah.
Okay, do this.
Okay. Oh!
Okay.
Come on, try again. Jump too early.
Okay, throw it up. Hey, start round 3, final round. Give me your best dunk. And again, in this video, you, the viewer, will vote. Subscribe. Okay, let's do this.
So you know I'm trying to mess off the pole.
Oh, that would have been awesome.
There.
Here, I'll do it up for you like this. Push it back in. Okay, ready?
Toss it up or under.
Okay, ready? Oh! Hey, dunk! Hey, dunk! Hey, dunk!
Hey, turn! Hey, turn! Hey, turn!
Okay, okay, I got it. I'm gonna kick it over to you, and you catch it. I come up and dunk it backwards, okay? It'll be the epic dunk. Shit, too hard. I mean, shoot!
Counts as a racing. Every guy kickers. Oh!
You did it too early. I was gonna go, that's why I looked, because I was sideways. I was going to go backwards, remember? I'm
Oh!
not counting that.
Oh, good.
Here we go. And that's the end of the second dunk contest. Peace out from Avon, Missouri.